Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are brewing a special coffee, Finca Sophia TANAT Geisha washed GW2 from Finca Sophia, a geisha washed. Producer Kelly Hartman and David Paul. All right, let's try this coffee today. Let's see how it tastes. And first we start with the Codale paper filter presser here. You want to press that. I'm gonna add a couple drops of water here just to wet the filter, and then we gonna heat this to 92 degrees. Wow, this coffee smells amazing. Wow. The beans look amazing too. And we're gonna do on this coffee 12 grams for today brew. 12 grams is gonna be the today brew. And let's add the coffee beans here. We're gonna start by adding the coffee. Perfect. Oh my God, I have such a sore muscles from the gym. Yes, so spray a couple drops of water just to make the beans less static, and this is how they look. Amazing. Smells amazing too. And let's start the grinding process with the Comandante at the 30 clicks actually. 30 clicks. Done, and that should be it. All right, so we have the filter ready. The filter is ready to go. The water is ready too, and we're gonna add the beans now. This is how they look. Smells insane. Smells really good, honestly. All right, we're gonna distribute a little bit here. A hole in the middle. And then for the last thing is we're gonna add the Paragon Ball. Boom. All right. Everything seems all right. Everything seems all right. And let's start the bloom. We're gonna be doing 1:15 ratio, 36 grams of water, 36 grams of water, 108 grams of water every 30 seconds. The water I'm using, it's at 92 degrees. I'm gonna put for the next time to 90. So let's start the brew. 36 degrees, 36 grams. Been a little bit over it, been to 40, but it's okay. Just a little bit above it. All right, and then let's go with 36 more. Okay, I did 40-40. I just wanted to wet all the beans properly, but it's all right. And the next pour is gonna be just a little bit more aggressive. Just a little bit more aggressive, okay? To just create a little turbulence there. $180, perfect. That was the broom. And that was the broom. Yes, it should finish around 2 minutes 20. The packaging looks amazing from TANAT, Geisha wash, Finca Sophia. This was roasted a little bit March 12. So this type of coffees, if they have a good roast, they are very light roasted, and with a good roasting process, they can last you for a long time, and it's not a problem if you, especially if you store them in a cool, dry place. Okay, 220. Yeah, pretty good. It's going pretty well. Almost finished. 230. Should be always between 2 minutes and 3 minutes. $243. We started the filter 5 seconds delay, so now it will be like 240, and the filter is pretty much done. All right, and now we just close down. 3, 2, 1, and finish. All right, finish. We have a very nice bed there. So the extraction looks nice though. Let's test and let's see how it tastes like. Honestly, I mean, for me, it tastes amazing. Wow. Aroma. Whew. Fruity, juicy. The notes are pamplemousse. I don't know, it is in French. Peach, which is like apricot, and jasmine and chamomile. Flowerish, fruitiness. Yeah, basically that's the Panama Geisha signature, right? This filter, it's so rich, it's so good that I brew it with a low TDS water and still tastes so fruity. But I am gonna add these minerals to the water because I have a low TDS water that I'm brewing with, probably like 10 to 12. So I'm just gonna add 1 drop of these minerals from APAX. That will make it even more richer, even more sweeter, and will create a even more balance in your tongue. It would actually give you like a silky, actually this one is for bright juiciness, and this one, the jam, most rich, sweet, creamy, and the first one I add the lilac, elegant, floral, silky. This is really true. I'm not lying. It gives you like an amazing taste. It makes the coffee taste amazing, super rich and sweet. Wow, this is a good geisha. It literally tastes like a juice. I don't know why people drink dark roast. I guess it's a free world, right? But damn, it's so good. This is like a juice. This coffee tastes like juice. Geisha washed. What else you can drink? Literally, like, what else you can drink? If it's not geisha washed, I don't want it. Joking. A natural process I enjoy too. And honey also sometimes. But my favorite, it's geisha washed. How about yours? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite type of beans and what's your favorite process? Because lately the geisha washed is really trendy. Wow, what a coffee. What a coffee. Literally speechless with this coffee. I don't want it to end. It tastes so good. Wow. I don't know. I think most of the people think that the gadgets are important and the Paragon Ball and everything, but the most important thing is the beans. If you have good beans, you have good coffee. But the second most important thing is the water. So you need to pay attention to the water that you're extracting your coffee with. And then the least important, but also it's something very important if you brew this caliber, if you really want to experience this caliber of coffees, is a good grinder. Okay, this is a Comandante Tigershark Burst Lab Series. Actually this cost me only 200 euros, like $230, because my friends sell a lot of them in Spain. So yeah, I got lucky with it. But you can find the C4, just a normal C40 for somewhere around $230, $250, right? So that's the third and the most important thing, the grinder. Let's just take another sip of this amazing coffee and experience the it's amazing. It's amazing, and especially in this cup from La Cabra here in Bangkok. I bought this ceramic cup in La Cabra, Bangkok, and really so nice. It fits perfectly in the hand, so ergonomic, so cool. I love it. Yeah, this coffee, insane. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you enjoy coffee content, and stay tuned for the next videos coming soon.